As a result of energy crisis in Europe, the city of Paris has recently announced a series of measures to reduce energy consumption, including turning off the lights of Eiffel Tower, a Parisian landmark early.
The Eiffel Tower in Paris, one of the most visited attractions in the world, is lit at night until 1 a.m. With the new energy-saving regulations in place, the lighting will be switched off at 23:45, while visitors should leave. Night lighting accounts for 4% of the tower's annual electricity consumption. Meanwhile, the city's mayor announced on Tuesday that all municipal establishments will turn off lighting at 10 p.m. from September 23rd in order to save energy. All buildings owned by the city of Paris will dial heating down from 19 degrees Celsius to 18 degrees Celsius during the day and 12 degrees Celsius for nights and weekends. Nursing homes and kindergartens will be exceptions. Water temperature in the city's 40 swimming pools will also be reduced by 1 degree Celsius.